x plus 1 is a factor of the polynomial. We have four options here. A. X cube plus x square minus x plus 1. B. X cube plus x square plus x plus 1. C. X to the power 4 plus x to the power 3 plus x square plus 1. And D. X to the power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. Now we have four options and we have to choose one where x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. How are we going to do it? Again, this is not difficult. You just need simple tricks to solve such questions. Remember remainder theorem. If we have a polynomial px and if it is divided by a linear polynomial x minus a, then p of a is equal to 0. It means that here x plus 1 is a factor. So p of x must be equal to 0 when we are taking x plus 1 as a factor. That means x plus 1 must be equal to 0, and so the value of x is equal to minus 1. It means that if it is a factor, it should give the remainder as 0 when we put the value of x as minus 1. We are going to use this property. We are going to now put the value of x as minus 1 in all these options one by one and check where we get the remainder as 0 or the result as 0. So here, if we start with option A, x cube, just place minus 1 in place of x. So this is minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square minus 1 plus 1. Just simplify this. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1 square is plus 1, and we have plus outside the bracket also, so this gives us plus 1. Minus into minus 1, plus 1, plus 1. This is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. It means this is not the factor, otherwise we would have got the result as 0. Let's now pick up option B, x cube. So this becomes minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1. Just simplify this. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1 square is plus 1, and we have plus outside, so this becomes plus 1. Plus into minus 1, we get minus 1 plus 1. This is equal to 1 plus 1, 2, and minus 1 is minus 2. So plus 2 minus 2 gives us 0. This is the answer. Here we got the value as 0, which means that this is the factor. But again, let us solve the other ones also and see what we get in the result. So in option C, we have x to the power 4, so this becomes minus 1 to the power 4 plus x cube, that is minus 1 cube, plus x square, that is minus 1 square, plus 1. This is equal to minus 1 to the power 4 will give us 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1 and plus is outside, so this becomes minus 1. Plus minus 1 square is plus 1, plus is outside, so this gets as plus 1, and we already have plus 1 over here. This is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 minus 1, that is 2, which means this is also not the answer. Now let's pick up option number D. X to the power 4 becomes minus 1 to the power 4 plus 3 into minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to minus 1 to the power 4 is 1, minus 1 cube is minus 1 into plus 3. We have minus 3. Minus 1 square is plus 1 into 3. We have plus 3. Plus into minus is minus, and we have 1, and then we have plus 1, which is equal to, here we have plus 1, plus 3 and plus 1. That gives us 3, 4, 5. And then we have minus 3 and minus 1, which gives us minus 4. So 5 minus 4 we get 1. You see, we are not getting any 0. There is only one option where we get the answer as 0, that is the remainder, and thus x plus 1 is the factor of x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. So see, this is how you do such type of questions. If it is given that a particular linear polynomial is a factor, that means it should be equal to 0. Just equate it to 0, find the value of x, put it in the polynomial and check whether you are getting it as 0 or not. If you are getting it as 0, that means it is the factor. If not, it is not the factor. Just try doing it. And believe me, study mere, not anymore.